Welcome to our resilience room. This is a room that we use during severe weather incidents. In addition to winter weather, we also have to deal with storms. The storms can bring high winds and they can bring heavy rains. Our control rooms operate 24/7, monitoring weather conditions on the trunk roads in the northeast, northwest and southeast of Scotland. Our weather sensors detect precipitation levels and wind speeds, which allow us to act accordingly during storms and/or during adverse weather. If we get high winds, that can affect us in many ways. It certainly affects some of our exposed bridges, such as Skye Bridge, Keswick Bridge, Friarton Bridge. If we get high winds, these bridges could have some restrictions for vehicle movements, and we have to sign them appropriately. BEAR Scotland also operates and maintains 4 major bridges over the Forth: the Queensferry Crossing, Forth Road Bridge, Kincardine Bridge and Clackmannanshire Bridge. During high winds, speed restrictions and closures to some or all vehicles may be implemented for safety. The Queensferry Crossing's wing shielding allows it to remain open at significantly higher wind speeds than other bridges. Also during high winds we can have issues with fallen trees. If trees fall into the carriageway and they block the road, it's obviously our job to try and reopen them as quickly as we can and as safely as we can. We have teams of landscaping experts who can go and remove branches, trees and try and get the roads reopened. Also with storms we can get heavy rain. If we get heavy rain and we have flooded carriageways, we can dispatch people with pumping equipment to get the water off the carriageway and try and reopen the roads as quickly as possible. During all these events, we have to communicate with the public, and we will liaise with the police, Traffic Scotland and Transport Scotland to get messages out to try and give people information about the issues we've got in the network.